Alright, the next movie I am going to review is the new Justin Long, Drew Barrymore date rom-com, Going the Distance. It's about a boy who falls in love with a girl from E.T. And in this movie, they move or something, and she lives far away. He's got to go see her. It's hard to talk about this movie because I really wasn't paying attention. I get bored easily. I don't even know why I went to go see this movie. Because, I'm just going to say it sucks anyway. But from what I did see is that Justin Long was getting like a tan or something. At this point during the movie, I thought it sucked, and a lot of people were on dates. I told them that they all sucked for having dates, and no one would go out with me. There was one girl I asked. She said I couldn't do anything that night. I see her there with some guy, some other robot. And I'm like, what the hell? Now, am I like the only one? Now, I know a lot of people like Drew Barrymore. People think she's nice, but I just don't see it. Anyway, throughout the whole movie, I'm wondering, is she supposed to be attractive? And they were like, yes. I'm like, I don't know what Justin Long sees in her. Anyway, I didn't even have that conversation in the actual movie theater because I don't talk during the movie. A lot of you people don't know that. You're always talking throughout the movie. It's like when they tell you to silence your cell phones at the beginning of the movie, you see like a sea of cell phone lights, and it always amazes me, like, why do you have to be told to do this? So you know what? I leave the movie. Sneak into another movie, A Machete, again. I've seen that movie, and throughout that movie, I'm like, why did I see this again? I didn't even like this. I gave it a thumbs down, but yeah. Anyway, I gave the movie a thumbs down because I didn't really watch it. So anyway, I guess I should say thanks for watching, but really, I'm doing you a favor. Because next time you go to the movie, you're like, what should we watch? I don't know, what did Beta say I should watch? Nothing, because it all sucks. You should stay home. Just watch me.